वीर के लिए उनको एक फ्रेश फेस की ज़रूरत थी और कटरीना कैफ के वजह से लिया है नहीं लिया गया है, आई डोंट नो अबाउट दैट। ऑल आई नो इज़ दैट वीर के लिए फ्रेश फेस की ज़रूरत थी। मेरे से पहले भी काफ़ी न्यू फेसेस को ऑडिशन किया गया था, बट देन आई वाज द लकी वन टू गेट द रोल। नो, आई ऑलवेज टेक इट एज अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट। आई मीन कटरीना कैफ इज सो ब्यूटिफुल, शी इज एशिया's sexiest woman, and then being compared to her is like always a compliment. I'm overwhelmed and I'm so delighted. कटरीना बहुत ही स्वीट लेडी है। शी हेल्प मी अ लॉट, लाइक मेरे मेकअप के दौरान एंड यू नो द फोटो शूट्स एंड ऑल। शी हेल्प मी कि आप ऐसे पोस्ट कीजिए, वैसे पोस्ट कीजिए। सो शी वाज रियली स्वीट एंड वेरी स्वीट लेडी। नहीं, कटरीना जैसे मैंने आपसे कहा वो बहुत ही स्वीट लेडी है। कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स के वो खुद इतनी खूबसूरत है, वो दूसरों को क्या कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स देंगी। उनको ही जब मैं उनको देखती हूँ तो मैं अपनी नज़रें उन पे से नहीं हटा पाती हूँ। वो इतनी खूबसूरत लेडी है। आई मीन इफ़ आई वुड हैव बीन अ मैन आई surely would have wanted to get married to. Well, Salman, tips I wouldn't say tips. He's always told that nobody can teach you acting, but then he did at times. There were times when he used to literally sit and explain me how to do things, how not to do things. There were times when I used to get stuck up, and then I used to be really scared that, oh God, me being stuck up shouldn't bother him and shouldn't make him upset, because everybody has this thing about him that Salman gets angry very soon. But then it is not that way. He's a real sweet person. And then there were times when he used to enact my scenes and they're like, okay, now do it that way. So he was that sweet and helpful. Yeah, I mean, as you must have seen in the movie, I'm looking all big as compared to what I'm looking now. So yeah, I did go on a chocolate diet. That was like because I saw a lot. They made me see a lot of books of prince and princesses and stuff, and I never saw a thin princess. They were always big, because I probably believe at that time they had no gym, and whatever their food was made in like pure ghee, and they always had dry fruits, and their food was really rich. So they ate all that and they were big, and then even I was supposed to be even I was asked to put on all the weight and look big because people could relate to me. देखा तुम्हें तो आराम आया, दबी दबी सांस में सुना था मैं